Hello and welcome to our 5-minute card or less. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are going to do a card as quickly as possible and make it turn out really cute. So here today we're going to be using the Happy Birthday from the Cling Stamp set called Here's a Card. We already got that mounted on our block. We're going to be using Bermuda Bay for our color today. We also went ahead and pre-die cut in Whisper White, the second to the smallest from this die set. And then we also use the Bermuda Bay and pre-cut that out as well. And we're going to use a designer series paper that measures 4.5 by 3 inches. This particular one is from the Subtles. This is Coastal Cabana. And the Bermuda Bay piece is going to be 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. We're going to need Whisper White that is 4 inches by 5 1/4 for the inside of the card. And then of course we got our card base, which is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. So we're going to get started. And the first thing we're going to do is stamp our image because I want it to dry before I turn it over and mount it onto the other. Whoops, that was right. Just gonna stamp that there. Okay, got our happy birthday. Okay, we're gonna set that off to the side for now. Now we're gonna take and put this designer series paper onto the Bermuda Bay cardstock. We're going to take some ribbon. We need about 20 inches of ribbon. And this is the silver metallic edge in the annual catalog. We're going to tie it onto this piece towards the bottom a little. And you want the ribbon to be towards the one side. All right, now we're going to take our tape, put this on top of here. We're going to take our dimensionals and put them on the back. This right on the front. All right. We're going to take and get our Whisper White piece. I want to get that on the inside first. Now, I usually leave the inside blank until I know who I'm giving the card to. Then we're going to take dimensionals and put on the back of here as well. I love dimensionals, and I usually go crazy, but I'm going to take it easy for recording purposes. Okay. All right. Now we're just going to mount this on the front. And last but not least, we're going to use some clear rhinestones and we're going to put them on the front. Oops. And there we go. We are done with our 5-minute card. I really hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned. We're going to hopefully post more videos on this every Monday, and it's going to be our 5-minute card series. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care and have a wonderful day.